So today I'm going to show you how to replace the hard drive on a Dell Latitude E5450. Okay, flip it over. So you've got a few screws that you need to remove first. I've actually removed them beforehand, so just to quicken the process somewhat. What you need to do after you've taken the screws out, you've got a little notch here. If you put a flathead screwdriver in, you can prise the case off. So I'll put the flathead in, gently prise it up, and then get your fingers underneath, and just work your way along the edge of the case, and the case will come off. So as you can see, we've got the hard drive here. It's got 1, 2, 3, and then 4 screws. So we'll just start the process of removing the drive. So get the screws out. There we go. Just removing all the screws. And then there's a little lever there, so you get your fingernail under there and just slowly lift it up, and then you've got the actual connector, as you can see here. So just slowly prise that off, taking the bottom off, taking the top off, as you can see where it lines up. Right, and here's the hard drive. You see it's in a little caddy, and it's got 4 screws. There we go. I'm not actually swapping the hard drive out today, so I'm just going to pop it back in. So if we make sure we've lining up the connectors correctly, so let's pop that there, and then just apply adequate pressure. There we go, it's clipped in. Then reseat the drive, and then we just pop in the screws that we removed before. If I can work a screwdriver. One done. So the next one. There we go. And then put the final one in. If we can, so there we go, it's back in. So the screws are back in, and we pop the connector back on. Okay, let's get the outside of the case, line it up, and then just press it down, it'll click back into place. And then once you've done that, pop your screws back in, and then power it up.